Hello, Saturday Covenant is my name, and in this video, I want to show you how to bypass the network issues that is going on currently. So, we in Nigeria, we are facing a lot of network issues. The internet connection is not, good enough. So many websites are not opening up. So, I will show you how to bypass that while we still anticipate that the issue will be resolved soon. Okay, so we'll be using an app called XVPN. XVPN is just a simple process that you can follow and then we'll get things done. All right. Okay. So you go to your Play Store. So by the way, this works for smartphone users. So you go to Play Store and then type XVPN. XVPN. Then the next thing you would do is, okay, this is the SVPN. In case you're looking for the particular one, just mark the logo so you download the right one. Click on that, install, so to download. So it's installing now. All right, it's been installed. So what I will do next is to open it. Open it up. So you click on agree in order to open this, install it. What to do next is to cancel it over here, cancel. Then the only thing you will do here now is to click on, leave the location as it is, just click on the next one here, click on auto, remove it from auto to UDP, that's the recommended one. And once you've done that, this will come up. Okay, click on OK, click on cancel. All right, so now you have your distance set, your VPN set, and you can browse any website at all that you have been trying to connect to and it has not opened. Like as for me, I've been trying to open Canva and it has not opened. So I'll click on try to open Canva. See, it's connected. Yeah. Yeah. So we have it now resolved. So try it out, XVPN, and let's get it done. Get back to work. So you've successfully bypassed the internet issues. So just do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to have more of this in future. I'll be dropping new videos every week. So you support me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you.